you very much, Loic. Ladies and gentlemen, as I said before, we looked at products and we looked at applications and platforms. And as I said before, the startup competition was going back to its roots, going back to the early stage. So it's my delight to present in alphabetical order the first company to demonstrate, which will be CloudSplit.
Good afternoon, Le Web. My name's Joe Drumgoole, and what we do is cost control for your cloud spending. I think that's 30 seconds, isn't it? What we do is, if you look at your cloud spending, the whole big value proposition of cloud computing is no more big hardware bills. It's cheap. It's so cheap that you don't even look at those bills when you switch over to the Amazon cloud or the Azure cloud. But maybe they start not being so small. As you grow and as your utilization of cloud computing grows, what you discover is everything you do in the cloud costs you money. So here's a classic Amazon bill for a company that we looked at last year. Its bill had reached $2,400. That's a lot of money. $2,400 paid out every month will buy you 12 servers in a year. And most of the businesses in this room that are startup sized can run their business on 12 servers. So we took a look. We grabbed the Amazon bill. The problem with the Amazon bill is it's fairly impenetrable. I don't know what these things are, and neither does anybody else, because Amazon doesn't tell you. This is their internal recognition of how they build stuff. There's no units here. That's hard to understand. Other problem is you can only get a month of this data at a time. So what you can do is you can take this data, and if you're like me and you're married to an Excel ninja, you can hand the stuff off to Anne, and she'll work her pivot table magic on it. Takes about 2 hours, even for an expert, and you'll get some graphs out. And the first thing you discover is computing and storage grows with your business. It's kind of a linear growth, or if you're Twitter, it's kind of like that. That's okay, but then look at the transactions. The transaction costs are all over the map. Why are they all over the map? The transactions are a function of how you wrote your software, not of your business. That particular peak in the middle goes up to 45,000, which is about way up in the top of the ceiling there. Really hard to manage, really hard to understand. You'll only find out about these costs at the end of the year. For the business that we looked at last year, 30% of their costs were in these transactions. And they were 30% of their costs because they didn't understand what they were doing in Amazon, because they'd forgotten everything you do costs money. This is what CloudSplit does for you. It's a real-time dashboard for controlling your cost in the cloud. Instead of getting a bill at the end of the month, what you get is the ability to look at your costs, broken down by application, broken down by compute node in Amazon, the ability to look at the breakdown of the resources in terms of storage and bandwidth and transactions, the ability to set alerts so that you can essentially get an email when you hit a particular cost threshold, the ability to do cutoffs so you can say, well, it's cost me this much, I don't want to start spending anymore. A cash dashboard for your cloud spend gives you the control you need, gives you the historical analysis. We've got some competition. Excel is the classic competition. As I said, it's time-consuming, it's error-prone, it's hard to do. You need to be an expert in pivot table management, and you've got to do it again every month. S3 Stats does graphs, but it has no cost analysis, and it's got no real time. It uses the log files from Amazon. Amazon does nothing in this space at this time. Yes, they may do something in the future, but we think we can continue to innovate to keep ahead of the game. The business model is simple. You pay for the store or for the data that you use. So you deploy a £10 cost or €10 cost for each EC2 instance that you deploy. We are market testing a per transaction pricing where you can essentially understand your costs on the basis of the things that you send to us. And we'll have a discounted channel price for partners, and we see partners as being a key way to sell this service, looking at people like RightScale, Anomaly, GoGrid, and a host of others. What are we looking for from Le Web? We're looking for $2 million. I was a greedy entrepreneur. I wanted the whole $2 million at once, but Ivan from Dowdy Hanson explained to me how I wanted it in little pieces instead. So we're happy to take it in piece. No, this is not. The important thing about this is a dollar-nominated Delaware incorporated business. Our customers are on the West Coast of America, and they like dollars. We've got to think in dollars, we've got to sell in dollars, and we've got to do our costs of business in dollars. The sales organization for this business is going to be in the US. It's not going to be in Europe. That's who we're targeting. My name is Joe Drumgoole. My company's CloudSplit. Thanks very much for listening.
Good job.
Thank you very much, CloudSplits. And it's great to see that we're always talking about the cloud and applications, but it's cool to see a truly disruptive startup addressing the issues behind the cloud. Next up, we have, as I said, in alphabetical order, we have a presentation from another finalist, Stribe.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kamel. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Stribe. It's very exciting to pitch at home in Paris. I'm here with my partner, Gael, and CTO. Stribe is a B2B service to instantly create a full social network that you can embed on any website. You get more traffic, more stickiness, and more members on your website. We're going to present you. Is it OK for the demo? Is it OK with the demo? On est à la fin, en fait, je crois. We're going to present you two new features, the Facebook Connect and the White Label. Basically, in a couple of weeks, it's Christmas, and you're probably late with your present, like me. So for the demo, we Stribe a fake website for Toys R Us to show you how it's cool. So let's go to the website of Toys R Us. So we're going to see the website with a full social network. So on the bottom of the website, you can see a toolbar with different shortcuts. You will be able to join the communities with just one click. So for the web, we developed the Facebook Connect to let you join the community easily. OK, so just log in and sign in with your Facebook account. We're developing Twitter as well, and it's coming very soon. So moms and dads will be able to talk with each other, share feedbacks, and so on. It's very easy to get in and to share your opinions directly in the website. So Gael, just sign in now. So we created a user account. And as you can see, the user profile uploaded the picture of Gael. So we provide different features inside the Stribe. You can see all members involved. I can see Loic somewhere, I think. Mike. So you can send an IM, a chat, a private messages. It's very easy. You can as well change your status updates and telling what you're doing now. Or ask any question to the community. So it's the community of the social network. So ask a question about what you're looking for, your nephew, or what you want. So all interaction tools are shared with all Stribe connected. So the social network is branded with the Toys R Us look and feel. So it's white label. Everything is customized. There is no logo of Stribe, actually. And you can be in touch with all members, and you can receive a chat from the community manager from Toys R Us, for instance. So it's very easy to exchange and to be involved in the community without going to another website. So we provide as well other features, like the premium one is the back office of Stribe to let you drive your own community. So you have all metrics to know what's going on in your social network. So we give you all the key metrics to let you know if your marketing action is relevant or not, who's very active, who is involved, and so on. So it's a kind of dashboard to let you know what's going on your website. So for a community manager, it's very important to increase acquisition. So when Gael signed in with a Facebook account, he he signed in with his Facebook account, we can see in the wall that he involved in the community. So to Stribe a website, it's very easy. Let's do it with the web. So just go to stribe.com to subscribe, and then copy-paste one JavaScript code to embed your own social network on your website. So edit your web page and paste the JavaScript code of Stribe directly in the website. So it's very easy to do it. It's as easy as adding Google Analytics, for instance. And now the website will have its own social network. So just sign in with the webmaster account to customize and personalize your website. So Stripe business model is a freemium one. It's up to the features you want to embed in your social network. And it depends on your traffic and the number of your members you want to involve in. There are 4,000 websites asking to use Stripe now. To sum up, Stripe is available in white label, so you can customize everything. We provide Facebook Connect to let your visitor to get inside the community. And we're working on different features like Twitter Connect and casual gaming inside the website. So again, my name is Kamel. Feel free to contact me. And if you're an e-commerce website, a media, or corporate, you can turn your website into a social network just in getting to stribe.com. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Merci.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Stribe. And it's great to see a company addressing the distributed nature of social networks now. Thank you. And lastly, out of our top 3 from the startup competition, as I said, in alphabetical order, lastly, is Tigerlily.
Bonjour le web, we are Tigerlily. It's awesome to be here, like close to the sexiest French minister. Hi, Nathalie. Okay. I'm Guillaume.
Which is true.
Sure, it's true. Definitely. Okay, I'm Guillaume. This is Matthew. He's my partner, and we are Tigerlily.
You get 20 seconds more for that.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So as you probably know it, brands want to interact more and more with Facebook users. For that, they have Facebook pages, which is a great marketing tool. But the thing is, those pages are really basic. Most of the time it's boring. It's always the same tabs, always the same design. And you know what? It's scary. So if you want to customize your tab, you can pay a web agency, but it's not flexible. You can also use Involver, but you don't want to add 10 tabs on your page. Or you can use Wildfire, but maybe you want to offer other kind of applications rather than just promotion application. That's why we created Tigerlily. So now Guillaume is going to give us some Facebook magic.
Okay, so Tigerlily is a set of white label applications for brands who want to get more from Facebook. So I'm going to show you a little demo of our first product and the main product, which is called the FPMS, which stands for Facebook Pages Management System. Okay, so let's put it in full screen. Okay, this is a page we built for Orange, for a French show. So you can see that we gather many contents on one page on Facebook. So we can add Vimeo videos, we can add Flash widgets, we can add Flickr pictures, RSS feeds, and all that kind of stuff. This is the back office. So here is a set of widgets we have, the Flickr, the Flash, newsletter, and also some Facebook integrated pictures. So to set up your widget, you just have a simple box, you put the right information in the box, and then you update. You can move by drag and dropping the widgets, and if you go back to your page, you see that with magic, everything has moved. So it's really easier than before when you used to deal with FBML. Okay, we update. And the Flash widget, which was at the end of the page, is now on top of the page. Which is really important is that we bring some more interaction with fans as we add some share function and retweet function in the RSS feeds or tweet feeds. So people can click and easily share the news from the brand. We also have this newsletter widget that allows people to put their email in a box. And for marketers, you can go to the back office. It's going to show in a few seconds. You go to the back office and you can gather all the email you collect in one CSV file you can use in your base. Here is my base with 9 subscribers right now. Okay, so we also have some statistics to allow you to know more about what people come to do on your FPMS tab or on your page and what they are looking at. We also have another application called Contest, which allows you to organize unlimited contests throughout the year. And you can ask your people to give you information and gather all this information to have a better database. And I can show you what we've done with our partner, Colors, which is a creative agency in Paris. So they use the FPMS to customize this page. So Natalie, you're here, and I think you know the people of Colors. You're just here. Okay. So that's the FPMS.
So our model is a freemium model. Our first goal is to become a standard, so that's why we offer a free version. We also want to meet the needs of big companies, and we've already signed a range for the TV show you've just shown. And we are about to launch an intermediate plan on a subscription basis. We plan to expand our partners network really fast through partnerships with creative agencies, application providers. We're talking right now with Brightcove and ad agencies. We have a great team, already quite experienced, and we have some Ruby on Rails developers who kick ass. We are good to time to market, and the Facebook expenses are getting bigger and bigger. Currently, our main goal is to be the European leader, because as a matter of fact, we're the only one in Europe to do that right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Over to you, Louis.
Thank you very much. So you should stay on the podium, and maybe not on the podium actually. If you could move to the right. Thank you. Not yet. Maybe. Let's call the two other companies, the two other startups, and thank you for presenting here. So if you could come back to the stage.
If we could have CloudSplit out, thank you.
Yes, let's congratulate all the startups, and also, so those are the finalists, congratulations, but also the 16 who presented here, and our sponsors, AGF and Shopping.com, for making this possible, TechCrunch Europe as well. Thank you very much. So, I think, Natalie, you will have a tough job now, is to announce the winner. So please, if you can join the podium. And
should I begin with the third one or the first one?
So you won't need the mic. You can just use those if you like.
Yes, but the question remains.
So we will start by the third one.
Okay. Okay, so
that is our bronze.
Yes.
Prize.
Please make a triumph to CloudSplit.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Let me just...
And, well, this is not actually in bronze, and they look all the same.
No, this is... You have silver on it.
Oh, it's written silver in. Well, the silver is for Tigerlily. And so, well, the first ones are Stribe.
This is gold.
Yes, this is gold.
And yeah, this is, congratulations, Natalie, you should stay for a few minutes. Two French.
Yes, I appreciate it too.
Mike, what happened? Two French? Let's take a picture, all of us together. Let's take a picture if you want to work, and we should all gather right now. and then move on. Natalie, please. Yes. All right, because this is kind of please. Another round of applause, please, for our winners for our startup competition. And thank you for, again, thank you Shopping.com, thank you AGF Private Equity, and thank you TechCrunch Europe and Mike Butcher.